Hello, welcome, thanks for joining me. Today we're carving a cork coaster using the support. Place the cork in the support, place it on the bed in the vise using Easel as a software, and today's bit is a 60-degree V-bit. The CNC has been zeroed. We go through the steps on Easel. It goes from 0 to its start point, and then off it goes, and I'll speed it up at this point. The cork is attached within the support with some black gaffer tape folded over to make a double-sided attachment, and that's attached to the back of the coaster and pressed into the support, taking care to try and keep it level because we want the carving to be equal all the way around. So that's the carving done at 10 times speed. Let's have a look at the finished product. A double folded tape has kept it well attached. There's our coaster. And there's the tape. The first of many. Thanks for watching. Join me again soon.